Joint pain can make everyday tasks feel like a struggle, from climbing stairs to opening jars. However, nature has provided us with powerful herbs that may help ease pain, reduce swelling, and improve joint mobility. Let's count down the top 10 herbs that have been used for centuries to soothe aching joints and support your overall joint health. We're kicking things off with a herb that might sound intense, but it's actually incredibly helpful: devil's claw. Native to southern Africa, this plant has long been used in traditional medicine to help with pain and inflammation, especially in the joints. Its key compound, harpagoside, has been studied for its ability to reduce joint pain and stiffness, particularly in people with osteoarthritis. In fact, some research suggests that devil's claw may work as well as common non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, but with fewer side effects, especially when it comes to stomach irritation. If you're looking for a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers, devil's claw might be worth considering. It's commonly available in capsule or tea form, but as always, check with your doctor before trying any new supplement, especially if you're on medication. Coming in at number 9 is ginger, a kitchen staple that does a lot more than just spice up your meals. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help calm swelling and stiffness in your joints. What makes ginger especially interesting is how it works. It blocks the same inflammation-causing enzymes that many over-the-counter pain meds target, but in a gentler, more natural way. In one study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism, people with osteoarthritis of the knee who took ginger extract reported a significant reduction in pain and improved mobility. You can sip it as a fresh ginger tea, add it to your meals, or take it in capsule form if you're going for a consistent dose. It's simple, safe for most people, and a tasty way to support joint health. At number 8 is one of the most talked about herbs in natural health: turmeric. This bright yellow spice is packed with curcumin, its active compound, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. That means it not only helps reduce joint pain, but also protects your joints from further damage over time. In several studies, turmeric has been shown to reduce arthritis symptoms, and in some cases, it performed just as well as ibuprofen, but without the common side effects like stomach irritation. That's a big deal for anyone managing chronic joint issues. To get the most benefit, try taking turmeric supplements with black pepper, which improves absorption, or add it to your food, such as soups, rice, or smoothies, you name it. It's a gentle but powerful herb for your joints. Number 7 on our list is Boswellia, also known as Indian frankincense. Boswellia is one of the most studied herbs for joint pain, especially in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The active compounds in Boswellia, called boswellic acids, have strong anti-inflammatory properties that block enzymes responsible for producing inflammation in the body. This can lead to a reduction in joint swelling, stiffness, and overall pain. A review in Phytomedicine found that Boswellia extract significantly improved joint function and reduced pain in osteoarthritis patients over a 4-week period. What makes it unique is that it doesn't just mask pain like many over-the-counter medications. It works at the source of inflammation, which is key to long-term joint health. Boswellia is often available in capsule form or as a topical cream. It's generally well tolerated, but if you're taking anti-inflammatory medications or blood thinners, it's best to check with your doctor before adding it to your routine. We're halfway through our list. If you're learning something new or find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and consider sharing it with someone who needs joint pain relief. Now, let's get back to the countdown. At number 6, we have willow bark, often nicknamed nature's aspirin. This herb contains salicin, the same compound that inspired the development of aspirin, and it works in a similar way by reducing pain and inflammation in the body. People have used willow bark for centuries to help with everything from joint pain to backaches, and modern research supports its ability to relieve symptoms of osteoarthritis and other inflammatory conditions. It's typically taken in capsule, tea, or tincture form. That said, because it works like aspirin, it's important to use it with caution, especially if you're taking blood thinners or other anti-inflammatory medications. Always check with your doctor before adding it to your routine. At number 5 is a plant that might surprise you: stinging nettle. Yes, it's the one that can cause that itchy sting when touched raw, but when properly prepared, it actually becomes a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that may help soothe joint pain. Stinging nettle has been studied for its benefits in rheumatoid arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. It appears to help by calming the immune response and reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. You can enjoy it as a tea, take it in capsule form, or even apply it as a topical cream. Once the sting is removed through processing, what's left is a gentle, healing herb that's been used in traditional medicine for generations. Moving on to number 4, we have cat's claw, a vine that grows deep in the Amazon rainforest. This herb is known for its immune-modulating effects, which makes it especially helpful for people dealing with autoimmune joint issues, like rheumatoid arthritis. Instead of simply blocking pain, cat's claw may help calm down an overactive immune system, reducing the inflammation and joint damage that come with autoimmune conditions. Some studies suggest it can ease swelling, tenderness, and even morning stiffness in people with RA. It's usually taken as a supplement or tea, but as with any immune-affecting herb, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor if you're taking medications for immune conditions. At number 3, we've got green tea, a calming drink with powerful benefits for your joints. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, especially a compound called EGCG, Epigallika tecangalate. This natural antioxidant helps reduce inflammation in the body and may also slow the breakdown of cartilage, which is key for keeping your joints mobile and pain-free. Drinking green tea regularly, around 2 to 3 cups a day, may offer long-term relief for people dealing with arthritis or general joint discomfort. And the bonus? It's also good for your heart, brain, and metabolism. A simple cup a day can go a long way. Next up at number 2 is ashwagandha, a well-known adaptogen, which means it helps your body manage stress more effectively. And while it's often used for mental health and energy, it's also been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory effects, especially when it comes to joint pain and stiffness. In several studies, people taking ashwagandha noticed improved joint mobility and reduced swelling, making it a promising option for those living with arthritis or age-related joint issues. It's available in capsules, powders, or teas, and is a popular part of Ayurvedic medicine. Taking the top spot is a lesser-known but powerful herb, perilla leaf. Native to East Asia, this leafy plant is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are well known for reducing inflammation, and in the context of joint health, they may help relieve stiffness and slow cartilage breakdown. Perilla leaf and perilla oil have long been used in traditional Korean and Japanese medicine to ease inflammatory conditions. It's a great herbal option for those who want the joint healing power of omega-3s without fish oil. And there you have it. 10 powerful herbs that may help reduce joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation naturally. Devil's claw, ginger, turmeric, willow bark, stinging nettle, cat's claw, green tea, ashwagandha, and perilla leaf. Adding just 1 or 2 of these to your daily routine, whether as tea, a supplement, or in cooking, could make a noticeable difference in how your joints feel and move. Which of these herbs have you tried or are curious to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and check out our merch store for wellness-inspired gear. You can also leave a super thanks if you'd like to support our channel and keep this content coming. Stay healthy, stay mobile, and we'll see you in the next one.